All right, so we can also perform probability experiments repeatedly to estimate probabilities that we do not know how to calculate. So let's suppose that I construct this spinner, and there are 3 regions. I have region 1, region 2, and region 3. I've just divided this up without any definite plan here. Okay, so here is my spinner. To estimate the fraction of the whole that each region takes up, I'm going to spin it 50 times. So I'm flicking it and I'm recording each time what number it lands on. I'm going to present the results in what is called a relative frequency table. So this table that I'm going to show you, like this. I have my outcomes here. If this were labeled A, B, C, I would put A, B, C. Or if it was Z, K, and B, that's what my outcome would be. Whatever each region is labeled, that's your outcome here. I have flicked it and I have spun 50 times, and each time I have written down my tally mark. Now, when you have tallies, I have 4, and then I do a slash across that represents 5. So this is 5, 10, 15, and then 16, 17. How many total spins did I do? 50, right? So my denominator is 50. And when I did my spinning, I landed on this region 17 times. Okay, so let's say when I did the spins, I landed on region 2, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28 times, still out of 50. And then region 3, 5 out of 50. All this is saying is that I am estimating the probability of outcome 1 to be 17 over 50. Same with region 2 and 3, I'm estimating the probability of outcome 2 to be 28 over 50, and the probability of outcome 3 to be 5 over 50.